what really makes Fountayne Road is the people. Yeah, all the kind of creative weirdos that inhabit, or have studios, or kind of, do things and make things and are things on the road. Yo guys, just at the studio. I thought I might just do like a little vlog around here and do a bit of filming on the road, because I'm only here for another 2 days. So yeah, this is the road. So yeah, obviously this has been my studio for, oh gosh, there's a few parties last night. There might be some strange noises kind of coming as like something, as remnants of that. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, yeah, this has been my studio for 12 years, a long time. Yeah, there's been a lot of things happening around here. Not all I'd like to get into, and maybe one day there will be some stories. But yeah, for now, it's kind of just, I guess like a bit of a this and a that, and then I'll just do some like B-roll videos. It's more like a memento for me, really, just to remember the place, because I don't know when I'll be back, if ever, or if I do come back, if it'll still exist, who knows. Yes, so this is Fountayne Road, my studio place. I will switch over to the other lens and I'll just start doing some B-roll stuff. So here it goes, boom. Okay, so that is Fountayne Road. This is Fountayne Road. It's a strange feeling. Usher and I have been so busy kind of planning and rushing around, packing and doing things. We haven't really had a chance to kind of contemplate actually leaving, or maybe we have, I don't know. We're saying goodbye to some people tomorrow, so yeah, I think that'll all be a bit sad. So I'm just going to move away. There's like a gym there that's very noisy and fanny, and they make a lot of noise, clanging. Anyway, yeah, no, it's going to be, I don't know, it's a bit surreal, really. I think I've got a bit of a disconnect from it, but yeah, anyway, that was Fountayne Road. Obviously that was only kind of the buildings of Fountayne Road, and what really makes Fountayne Road is the people. Yeah, all the kind of creative weirdos that inhabit, or have studios, or kind of, do things and make things and are things on the road. A lot of interesting, weird people. I always kind of saw it as kind of this place for kind of, I guess, I don't know, just, yeah, these, I mean, it may sound bad, but I kind of put myself in that position as well, or I include myself in this kind of definition, which would be, a place for kind of people who don't fit in anywhere else. I mean, that's, kind of, it's not exactly what I mean, but it is kind of what I mean in some respects. It's a place for, like, I guess, like-minded people that are kind of outside of I would say, normie kind of lifestyle. Yeah, I mean, you have to be kind of some kind of weirdness to be able to survive in this warehouse situation, you know. Had a really, like, last night there was this really great thing that I should have probably filmed but didn't. And it kind of reminded me of, yeah, what the warehouses are all about, which is like creativity. There was like an art gallery night. I'll put a link down below. Maybe come along to the next one if you're around. Yeah, that's the sort of stuff that really enticed me here, really kept me here for 12 years. Yeah, it's great. It's a great road. It's a great road. It's a great road. But you know, we've got things to do. I mean, we can always come back at some point. I don't know. Don't really have any plans to. But for now, I definitely need something different. Like, it's great here, sure, definitely. And like just the amount of creativity and the amount of just sort of freedom, I guess, that kind of comes with that, or that comes out of a place like this. You know, this kind of DIY culture and kind of, you know, make it, do it yourself, you know, come together, a real community, kind of, you know, friends, family, you know, all in this kind of squished together in these Victorian warehouses. Yeah, I think that's about it. Well, maybe, like, you know, what would be really great, maybe once upon a time, or once upon a time in the future, that I come back and actually film people doing their things. Obviously I do not have the time for it now. I haven't really had time for it for a while, since I've kind of had the idea, which is a shame, because, you know, it would be nice to kind of show you, or show the world, or show YouTube, show everybody just how amazing a lot of these people are, you know, what they do, you know, whether they're artists, gosh, musicians, you know, festival creators, you know, curators, performers, circus, photographers, designers, and, you know, kind of anything and everything weird and wonderful in between. Yeah, no, all right, well, I guess that'll do. So yeah, yeah, if you like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what did you think of the place. If you want to know where this place is, I'm not really making it, it's not really a secret, but I'm not really advertising it, just because, yeah, it does have this thing that does need to be preserved and protected. Maybe just send me a message if you want to find out. You know, sometimes they've got amazing events and parties and, you know, all sorts going on here. It's a really cool place to be, to hang out, to be creative, to be free. Yeah, and it also would have been great to sort of be able to show you various other warehouses and stuff. Obviously you've seen my studio, but each one, you know, kind of has its own personality in itself, obviously, you know, which reflect kind of the people that inhabit or are there or create within it. So yeah, it would be great at some other point in time, or maybe it's something that I think about doing in the future for wherever I'm going next. Speaking of where I'm going next, so in 2 days time, Asher and I, we do leave London for good, for bad, for a long time, for some time, and head to Jakarta first, so Indonesia. we're going to Indonesia. We're then going overland to Bali, and then we don't really know where we're going. You know, I've just been monetized this morning. Whee! So that is now what, officially I am now a YouTuber, although I'm yet to be paid, because obviously you've got to get likes and, well, I've got to get views. So, you know, share this about if you can. But yeah, maybe one day in the future I do come back once my YouTube channel is 1 million subscribers and I can travel the world at a drop of a hat. You know, I can come back and I can visit. I think it would be a nice place to visit. You know, when you've been here for sort of so long, like, you do start to see, or, you know, whether it's within yourself or within the place, or, you know, cracks start to appear, shall we say. And that's why it's just nice that we're kind of leaving, kind of refresh ourselves, what we're doing, why we're doing it, and then, yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe come back at some point and just, it would be nice to be able to interview people and sort of film around. So yeah, if you're interested in that, if you're watching any Fountainers, I may actually post this on the Fountayne Road page. So if you want to be interviewed at some unknown date in some unknown future, hit me up. Yeah, I could do that. Because I think another part of where I wanted this to kind of, this vlog to go is obviously, you know, for me, passion, art and travel, and mixing those two passions together and being able to do that and show it on YouTube. So as I'm traveling through Indonesia or Asia, wherever, Thailand, I do want to kind of connect in with exactly these type of communities and sort of help show them off, or just see how they work, because I've experienced how this works, and it'd be nice to sort of find places and things and people like this around the world. So also, if you know any places like that anywhere that I should go check out, let me know down below, and I'll try to make a beeline for that. That'll do. If all that sounded really interesting, there is stuff coming in the future, you know. Like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, and until then, keep on drifting.